Groups within the FirstLink app contains all the devices that share the same mesh network. A group can hold up to 120 lights, and all their data will be downloaded together. Creating a group is as easy as clicking New Group from the project screen. Give your group a name, and press Create. Here, you're presented with an empty group. Let's add some lights by clicking the plus button at the lower right-hand corner of the screen. FirstLink will begin searching for what lights the phone can connect to with this Bluetooth connection. Generally, the lights closest to the phone are at the top of the list. You can verify which light you are near by pressing Tap to identify. The light will briefly flash. Pressing the square plus button will move the lights to the added tab. Add all the lights necessary for this group. If you don't see the device you need or receive an error message, move around the building and scan again. Clicking Apply Schedule adds the lights to this group and loads the default schedule. Now you can see the group with the lights you just added.